and welcome back to Greenstone and Ivy. Thanks for joining me again. Thanks for all the new subscribers. On last count, I think we're on 850, which is exciting. The community's really growing strong. Hopefully it'll keep going. So today I'm going to be carving this Sheffield United football badge. So if you are a Sheffield Wednesday fan, you probably want to swipe on to the next video. If not, stick about, watch me carve this. So I've actually made one of these before. I put a little picture on the video on the screen now so you can see the previous one I made. So yeah, I made it back in like 2018, 2019 when Sheffield United were flying high. I think they were like pushing the Europa League spots in the Premier League under Chris Wilder, with Billy Sharp up front coming off the bench, getting them a win. Things have changed a little bit now. We're on, they are. It's not actually my team. My team's Chesterfield. We're in the National League. We're third in the National League at the minute. Just come off the back of two bad losses, but we won. We won at the weekend, which is good. Sheffield United are not doing bad. I think last time I looked, they were third or fourth in the Championship, which is still good. Not automatic promotion, but they're up there. So yeah, I'm going to carve this today. So actually, one thing I'd point out, I normally use the cricket machine to make all my stencils. So I design them up on there at night or in the morning and get the machine to cut it out. I haven't done a video on it yet, but I will do very soon. But it doesn't like this, it must be copyright. So I've had to go back to the old fashioned way. I've had to print it out on 4 individual pieces of paper, stick it to a piece of card, and then get the Stanley knife out. I'll put some pictures on the screen of that as well so you can see how I got on with that. I'm going to take this round now, round to my workshop, put it on the workbench, stick the kettle on, and then we'll get doing some carving. that's it, job all finished up. It's turned out well. I forgot to say before on the intro, I went through the pile of stone when selecting this until I found some stone what had been labelled up as Yorkshire stone. I thought it were better than carving it on some Derbyshire stone, as it's Sheffield United. A little bit more gritty than the Derbyshire stone I'm used to working with. Still really nice stone, it just works a little bit different. But yeah, overall I'm happy with that. As you can see behind me, the shelves are off the wall. There's some big changes coming, but hopefully by the end of this week I'll have a video explaining all that to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.